Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to fill in the radians on the unit circle without memorizing and using your brain instead. So you should already know that all the way around the unit circle is 2 pi radians. So that means that 360 degrees is 2 pi. Next, you come over here to 180. Well, that's half of the unit circle. So half of 2 pi is pi. So 180 is pi. Next, I'm going to look at the 90-degree reference angles. And when we look at 90, you can see that that's a quarter of the unit circle. And so 1/4 of 2 pi is pi over 2. Or you can just look at the top half of the unit circle. And the 90-degree angle is half of the top of the unit circle. And so that's pi divided by 2. So now using this, we know that 90 is 1 pi over 2. 180 would be 2 pi over 2, which reduces to pi. And 270 would then be 3 pi over 2. So we have the quadrantal angles filled in. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to look at the 45-degree reference angles. So I have this colored so that you can see that the 45-degree reference angles divide the unit circle into 8 equal pieces. So 2 pi over 8 is pi over 4, or again, you can just look at the top half. And the 45-degree reference angles divide the top half into fourths. So that means that 45 degrees is going to be pi over 4. Now we work our way around the unit circle. 45 is pi over 4, so the 90 would be 2 pi over 4, which reduces to pi over 2. So then over here we get 3 pi over 2 over 4. Then we have 4 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4, 6 pi over 4, which reduces to 3 pi over 2, and then 7 pi over 4. So now we have all of the 45-degree reference angles filled in using fractions. We're going to move on to the 60-degree reference angles. And you can see that the 60-degree reference angles divide the entire unit circle into 6 equal pieces. So that would be 2 pi over 6, which is pi over 3. Or, again, you can just look at the top half of the unit circle and see that the top half, which is pi radians, is divided into thirds. So 60 degrees then is pi over 3. So working our way around, we have pi over 3, then we get 2 pi over 3, then 3 pi over 3, which is pi, 4 pi over 3, 5 pi over 3, and then 6 pi over 3 reduces to 2 pi. So we're finished with the 60-degree reference angles. All right, so we have most of them filled in. We just have the 30-degree reference angles left. Now you can see again that the 30-degree reference angles divides the unit circle into 12 equal pieces, or the top half into 6. So the first one here is pi over 6. And then you could work your way around. Do pi over 6, 2 pi over 6 is pi over 3, 3 pi over 6 is pi over 2, but we already have those filled in. So instead of doing that, what I usually do is I come over here. I know that to add and subtract fractions I need a common denominator, and since I'm working with a denominator of 6 for the 30-degree reference angles, I know that 180 is 6 pi over 6. So then that means that here at 150 I've backed up 1 pi over 6, so this value will be 6 pi over 6 minus pi over 6, so that's just 5 pi over 6. Then going forward to fill in the 210-degree angle in radians, you take 6 pi over 6, and you add pi over 6, and that gives you 7 pi over 6. So there's only one more angle that we need to fill in, which is 330 degrees. So 2 pi is 12 pi over 6. Then we're backing up, so we're going to subtract pi over 6, and that will give us 11 pi over 6. Okay. So again, when you start with this, you want to start with your quadrantal angles. So you have your pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, 2 pi. Then I usually do the 45-degree angles, which are the pi over 4s. And then I do the 60-degree angles, which are pi over 3s. And then I finish off with the 30-degree reference angles, which are your pi over 6 radian values.